Hello friends, I am Dr. Ganesh Patil from KTGM College Nasik. Today we are going to learn future and present value of annuity. Let us recall first. In our last lecture, we learned future value of an annuity. Future value of annuity is the amount in the account including interest after making all payment. The calculating formula is A is equal to x divided by I in curly bracket 1 plus I bracket raised to n minus 1, where x is equal to yearly annuity or periodic installment, n is equal to number of installment, A is equal to amount of annuity after n year, and I is equal to rate of interest per rupees per annum. Also, we learn present value of annuity. Present value of annuity is sum of present value of all payment made at successive annuity periods. The present value P of an annuity X to continue for n year is given by P is equal to X divided by I in curly bracket 1 minus 1 plus I bracket raised to minus 1, where X is equal to yearly annuity or periodic installment, n is equal to number of installment, P is equal to present value of an annuity, and I is equal to rate of interest per rupees per annum. In our last lecture, we already solved two examples. Let us start the example number 3. Find the amount of immediate annuity of rupees 5,000 per year payable for 8 years of 8% per annum. Solution: given x is equal to 5,000, n is equal to 8 years, and r is equal to 8% per annum. I is equal to rate of interest per rupees per period. Therefore, r divided by 100 is equal to 8 divided by 100 is equal to 0.08. A is equal to x divided by I in curly bracket 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. Putting this value in this formula, we get 5,000 divided by 0.08 in curly bracket 1 plus 0.08 raised to 8 minus 1. After solving this, we get 62,500 in curly bracket 1.08 raised to 8 minus 1. 1.08 raised to 8 is equal to 1.8509. 1.8509. Therefore, we get 62,500 into 0.8509 is equal to 53,1083.30. So, the required amount is rupees 53,1083.30. Example number 4. Find out periodic installment on purchase of vehicle of rupees 80,000 on installment basis under 6 equal annual installment including compound interest at 8% per annum. Solution: given P is equal to 80,000, vehicle cost, R is equal to 6 year, we have to find installment, so X is equal to question mark, I is equal to rate of interest per rupees per period. Therefore, I is equal to R divided by 100. Rate of interest is 8%. 8 divided by 100 is equal to 0.08. We have a formula P is equal to x divided by I in curly bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I bracket raised to minus n curly bracket complete. We have put the values in this formula. We get 80,000 is equal to x divided by 0.08 in curly bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.08 raised to minus 6 bracket complete. 0.08 get to the left side become multiplied into 80,000. So 80,000 into 0.08 is equal to x in curly bracket 1 minus 1.08 raised to minus 6. After solving this, we get 6,400 is equal to x in bracket 1 minus 0.6302. After solving this, we get x is equal to 6,400 multiplied by 0.3698. 1 minus 0.6302 is equal to 0.3698. Therefore, x is equal to 17,306.65. The required present value is rupees 17,306.65. Example number 5. A man purchased an article of 5 equal installments of rupees 5,000 each at 5% per annum. Find out present value. Solution. Given x is equal to 5,000, number of equal installment amount 5,000, so x is equal to 5,000, n is equal to 5 year, r is equal to 5% per annum. We have to find p. I is equal to rate of interest per rupees per period, so I is equal to r divided by 100 is equal to 5 divided by 100 is equal to 0.05. We have a formula. P is equal to x divided by I in curly bracket 1 minus 1 plus I bracket raised to minus 1. So bracket raised to minus n, bracket complete. We have put this value in this formula and we get P is equal to 5,000 divided by 0.05 in curly bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.05 raised to minus 5. After solving this, we get 1 lakh in bracket 1 minus 1.05 raised to minus 5. 1 plus 0.05 becomes 1.05 and this ones. So 1 minus 1.05 raised to minus 5. After solving this, we get 1 lakh in bracket 1 minus 0.7835 and we get 10,000 into 0.2165. So we get 21,650. Thus required present value is rupees 21,650. Student, in this lecture we solve 3 examples of futures and present value of annuity. You will solve an assignment question. In this question, we ask a motor car purchase on 10 equal annual installment of rupees 12,000 each at 8% compound interest. Find out present value of motor car. You have to use the formula of present value of annuity and solve this example. The required present value is 80,521. After solving this example, you can scan and upload to the Google Classroom. Okay. If you have any difficulty related to this topic, you can send email on ganeshpatil@kthmcollege.ac.in. Thank you very much.